This is the airplane race. Me versus my grandma. Say hi.
No.
We have an airplane race. So get ready. Go. I go first. Oh, that girl went far. I don't know if you're gonna beat that. Let's see. Wait. Okay, ready? Go. And mine did all the way down there. You can do it for fun. Okay, try again. Here. We're gonna do it for fun. I'll tell you when to go. Okay, ready? Set, go. Go.
I don't know why it's doing that. There you go.
Yeah! You actually made it kind of far though. Here you go. Switch planes now. Okay, I'll go first. Yeah, wait till I go like... Okay. Please lose. No! You crashed. Here you go. Switch every time. Okay, I go first. So no, you go first. You go first.
I don't know why it turns like that. Oh.
Yeah.
Let me try that again.
Try it again. Okay, we're just gonna do it for fun this time. We're just doing it for fun. Okay, we're just doing it for fun. We're not actually racing now. Hey, look, it actually made a cool turn.
Oh.
It crashed. Ready? Let's see which plane can get higher than that. And all the way down there. Nope, apparently that one didn't beat it. The Florida turned, so we're just gonna do one more time for the Florida. Come on, Florida. No! You can see that? No, I think no one's gonna beat that Southwest. Gamma, do you see the Southwest over there? I think no one's gonna beat it. Not even the planes, not even a single plane's gonna beat it. Oh, never mind, that one didn't beat it. The Southwest is all the way down there. The Southwest, I guess that Southwest by the stairs win. Okay, you are gonna race my super ultra special plane. You're gonna race it. You have 3 tries with all those planes. Well, no, you have 4 tries. And I have two planes compared to my very fast plane and my other very fast plane. Okay, ready? I'll go first. See if one of you can beat it. One of your planes can beat that. Oh, that went all the way down. Wait, not yet. Not yet. Okay, go. On go. Oh! Crash into the bowl. It cracked me up. It cracked me up. It cracked me up. It's the United States of America that hit the bowl. Yeah. It's so crummy. So cracking up. Okay, I'll go next. I'll go first. See if we can beat that, boy. Wait. Okay, put it right. It's in the same spot. It was right here now. Moved it. This is gonna be the last round. The Air Canada, the fastest one. Okay, not bad, not bad. Let's watch this one. Oh, my Air Canada's in the way. Oh. You actually went pretty far, the Southwest. Mine's my special one. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah! Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, this time we're just doing it for fun. This time we're just running out all the planes for fun. Every plane I have is going over there. And we're just gonna watch the plane pass by over there. Every plane I have is gonna go by. And you gotta push it. No, not every plane, just all those planes. All the pushback planes, all the pullback. Wait, I gotta get all of them. All the pullbacks.
How many pullbacks do you have?
This military one I have. I think this one is. Yeah, this one definitely is. The small one, so it'll go fast. And it's gonna go far. Wait, not yet. Oh.
So yeah.
Oh, yeah. Whew.
Just don't step with the Air Canada.
Oh, yeah. No, these are not pull-ups. I don't know. I think I have a pullback car. I don't know. No, I don't. Okay, that's all you have. All the pullbacks. We're doing it for fun this time. Ready? There comes the military. Oh. There's weight. Huh?
Don't do that.
It is. Watch.
Oh. Wow.
Told you! You gotta pull it back like far. You gotta pull it back in. Like a lot. Then it'll go. You gotta pull it back a lot. Bye, military! Okay, let's do our next pullback. The mini one is gonna go fast because it's small. Oh. Oh, I went farther than the military. I can't believe the military is so heavy and it can go that far. Oh, that's the one that goes far. Oh no, this is the one that's the special one. Oh, beat the military. Oh, that's the same as the military. Oh, this one's gonna go the farthest. Oh, never mind. That was supposed to be the farthest. Okay, let's watch this Air Canada go. Just keep record. Record it go down.
Is it recording?
Yep, it's going. Okay, just record it going down the hallway. Okay, you still record. I'm gonna do all the pullbacks this time. I'm gonna do the pullbacks, boys. Let's go, boys! Woo! Do this, boys! Go! Ready? Ready? Watch the military. Well, I actually went pretty far though. I'm not long. Oh, that! What? It turned and went in the circle and then went. Do it closer. Like that. It actually went farther than the military. Okay, ready? We do this sort of. Oh, why did it turn like that? Oh, that's how you make. Oh, that was cool. Why is it turning even though I did it little bit? Here we go, the special Southwest. It was far. Yep, and it didn't go far in the military. Hey, let's do this mini one. The mini one right there. We're gonna do it. It goes the farthest because it's small, it's light. Hey, let's watch you do it this time. Let's watch you do it. They're gonna pull it back and I'm gonna record this time. Again. Okay. I'm gonna watch.
That you do?
Huh?
That you do?
Yeah. Ready? Ready, guys? It's coming. Oh, you have to pull it back a lot for it to go far. Try again. Oh. You have to pull it back a lot. Like very a lot. Very, very. Oh, it actually ran pretty far though. Oh, hit the military, went right under it. Oh. Oh, that was the farthest so far. Time to play the airplane game where you're gonna have to guess what airplane it is. Ready? So you're gonna record, and you and the fans are gonna have to guess what kind of airplane that is. Okay?
Hurry up, go down, take a bath.
Okay. What? You can't look at them, right? Tree. Okay, close your eyes. I'm not ready. Okay, good. You're good. Okay, so. How am I gonna hide the plane? Okay, I'm gonna put it down here. Don't look. Okay, I'm just gonna look at the plane right there. So the plane has a blue tail. Okay, and it starts with a U.
United.
Yep. What kind? Big one or small?
Big one.
You're right. It's the big one. Did you guys guess it? I'm gonna give you guys a couple seconds to look at it. Okay. Don't look. Close your eyes. Hey, I ain't looking. You're looking!
How can I tape you? Can I videotape you?
No, just keep the camera like that. Okay, ready? Okay, so the plane is blue. And it has the color black and white. That's the only clues I'm gonna give. It's blue. The whole plane is blue. And it has the color black and gray.
Black and gray.
Black and gray and blue. Black, gray, and blue.
Korean.
Well, how did you get it? I thought you were gonna guess KLM.
Because KLM is over there.
You see it. Okay. This plane has black on its tail. It's white, and it has some red. All of the clues I'm gonna give you. And it also has gray on it.
What is it?
It has the color black, white, gray, and red. A little bit of red.
What does it start with?
A. This is an A.
American. No. Alaska.
That's that. You only get 2 guesses. It is Air Canada's.
Oh.
Yeah, because it has the black on its tail, the red, the gray. Okay, double up. Okay, this plane. Wait, no, I think I got one more. Look way. Not yet. Okay, you gotta have to turn more.
Huh?
So, yeah, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, ready? Okay, so this plane has purple on its tail. Starts with an F, and it has the color purple, orange, and gray and white, and yeah,
Starts with a what?
F.
F.
Yeah, and it has the color orange.
France Airlines.
You have to guess it. She didn't guess it. It has the colors purple. It starts with the letter F. Purple, orange, white, and gray. That's all the clues. So you can guess it.
I don't know.
That X.
Oh my gosh.
Look, purple.
Should have known it was a flow.
Look,
line.
orange,
Yeah, I couldn't
white,
think.
and gray, and black. Look, see? Purple, orange, gray, white, and purple.
Okay, there. Take this now. I'm gonna take a bath.
Okay. This Air Canada is going to be taking off. And it's going to be a 20-hour flight. 20-hour, dang.
Right? If you drop it, it's gonna come apart, right?
Yep. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. And don't remember to like and subscribe. If you don't like and subscribe, there's gonna be a spider in your bed tonight. So please like and subscribe, or else if you don't want a spider in your bed tonight, I'm scared of spiders. I'm sorry, but I don't like tarantulas. Tarantulas are scary because they can kind of like bite you, and you would scream in pain if they bite you. But they don't like they don't kill you. They don't kill you, which is good. Which is yippee skippy, yippee skippy, yippee skippy. Yeah. It's yippee skippy, skippy. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Da da da.